Today, we're going to open the Accio monthly subscription box for May 2019. Now, they started doing years, so year 1 through 7 for Harry Potter, a couple months back, and I wanted to get in on this box, so I made sure to get in for year 3 because they had sold out for year 2 when I tried to get in. So, I was able to get year 3, so now I have the Accio subscription coming to me. And for those of you who don't know, Accio is a really great small business. It's really been growing quite a lot over the last couple years. And they had been on my radar for a while anyway, because after I got rid of Loot Crate, I was looking to see which subscription box I was going to go to besides Geek Gear, which, as you all know, I love Geek Gear, but I wanted to do another one as well. And I apologize if my voice sounds really hoarse or congested. I've been sick, but I couldn't wait any longer to film this for you guys because I've been dying to see what's in here. And it has been really hard to stay off of spoilers. So anyway, so I'm going to get into this. But so they've been doing quite a lot of good things over there at Accio. All of their products are small business based, so they have a lot of Etsy shop owners and things like that that have contributed to their boxes. And then all of the material for the packaging is all vegan and biodegradable and all kinds of stuff. So they're doing a lot of really, really great things over there, and they're a company that I really respect. So I wanted to get in with their subscription boxes. So these are all purchased by me. This is not sponsored in any way. All of my opinions are my own, as always. And I really wanted to get in. Now, the main reason that they really caught my eye was because they joined forces with Danny from Muggle Magic, and he has been creating these amazing book covers to go over the hard copy versions, I guess it's the United States versions of the Harry Potter books. So the covers are actually made to fit the books. So I was lucky enough, thank goodness, to be able to order off of Etsy book 1 and 2, and now I have 3 in the box, and I'll continue the series from there through the subscription boxes. But I was thankfully able to get year 1 and 2, so I have not opened these yet. I know what they look like, but I haven't seen them in person, so I wanted to open them here with you guys. But before we get into these, let's go ahead and get into the box. Okay, so as you can see, it says Accio, and they did ask me my house, so if there are any house-related products in this box, they will be Ravenclaw. I think they said in an Instagram post not that long ago that they may not have any house-related items for a little while because they just want to focus on overall the years, so the different books in this series, so focus on those rather than putting in something that's house related. But I believe this one might have something house related. I think that was going forward. So let's go ahead and get in here. Okay, so we have blue tissue paper because, again, I'm in Ravenclaw. Ooh, and right on the top. Oh, okay, so for those of you who are new here, I love Sirius Black. We share a birthday. He's by far my favorite character in the whole series, and I love this. And especially since this is box 3, so this was Prisoner of Azkaban, which is one of my favorite books. And partially because of Sirius, but just because of everything that goes on in it. It's the introduction to Lupin, and it's the introduction to the Time Turner, and all that kind of stuff. So this is really cool. So this is like a car decal sticker type thing almost, and it's of Sirius's prisoner number plate. So that's really, really cool. I like that. All right, good start. So let's see what's in this box. Ooh, it looks like a tumbler. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. That is adorable. Espresso Patronum. I love that. I love coffee, and I love trying to use reusable tumblers and cups and things for that, reusable straws. Trying to be a little bit more environmentally conscious with that kind of stuff. But this is super cute. Yeah. Oh, that's really nice. It's a good quality. And it's got, looks like maybe care instructions on the inside. Yep, care instructions. So it looks like it's hand wash, no microwave, which is totally fine. That's a lot of tumblers. So yeah, that's really, really cute. It's a very, very cute design. And if I know Accio Box, I know this was created by someone who maybe has an Etsy shop or something. So we'll be able to see that when we get to their little cheat sheet of the products. But that is super, super cute. I love that. Okay, good start. Okay, so we've got some worms. Oh, okay. So this is the book covers I was telling you about. Let me open this up. Okay. So it looks like mine got a little bent, but that's okay as long as it didn't affect the overall cover. Oh my God. These are beautiful. So this is upside down. Let me get this right side up for you. So Danny has done an amazing job on these. And for those of you who have never been to his channel, I'll put a link down below. He's done some really great stuff. And he featured one of my DIYs not that long ago, our Peruvian Instant Darkness Powder. So go check that out as well. Oh, this is the printing on this is beautiful. So for those of you who don't know, I have a background in design, which is partially why I'm able to create all of my labels and stuff myself. And let me just tell you that the style of printing they did on this is not cheap. All of the gold foiling and just the thickness of the paper and the satin quality of it is stunning. And this is a true piece of art. I mean, it really, really is. So I cannot wait to put these on the books. So here's this one. So this one is obviously year 3, which is Prisoner of Azkaban. So he did criminology, which I think is awesome. It's magical criminology, which I think that's a clever little nod to Prisoner of Azkaban. So yeah, I love that. I love that he did the detail over here that's going to go on the inside of the book flap. So yeah, I will put this on the book in just a minute here. Let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, what is this? Okay. The Leaky Cauldron, 1 Diagon Alley, London, UK, 11. Drop in any mailbox, we guarantee postage. Oh my God. I think that this is like a Leaky Cauldron room key car. Like, you know, they have actual like locks and keys on their rooms. And I love this. So this would have been like what Harry would have had when he stayed at the Leaky Cauldron. That's awesome. I love that. So I will definitely have to put a really cool key on this. But that is super, super cute. Very clever. I love the way they did that. It's nicely made. It's got the imprinted letters on there within the gold. Super, super cute. So yeah, that's really fun. So far, I'm loving all of the different aspects of this box and the originality to it. Again, Geek Gear has been hitting it out of the park lately, but it's nice to see some stuff from some small business owners too. So that was why I decided to go with this. What is this? Oh, okay. So this says, "Welcome to the Night Bus," and it's a little Night Bus coin, and it says, "The Night Bus, established in 1863. Let me open this up. That is so clever. I love this. And again, I'm sorry I sound so hoarse. I feel just as crappy as I sound. So there's that. Okay. So it says, "Welcome to the Night Bus, emergency transport for the stranded witch or wizard since 1865. To summon, stick out your wand arm at the curb, and it can take you anywhere. It says nothing underwater." That's awesome. So they actually have a coupon code on the back of this for the little shop that created this. So it looks like this was created by Muggleborn Sisters Wizarding Shop, and the code is Accio Save, and it will get you 10% off of your order. I'm sorry that my camera's not focusing on this, but yeah, so this is made by Muggleborn Sisters, and it looks like they have a shop on Etsy as well as their website. So it's mugglebornsisters.com. Go check them out if you want to get your own coin. But this is beautiful. Let me get this to focus for you. This is so well made, and just the little details are just beautiful. So it says, "One ride. If stranded, stick out wand arm for emergency transport." And then it has the Night Bus on the other side. That is beautiful. I love that. I will definitely be putting that in some Instagram posts. That's really, really, really cute. I love that. That's probably, that might be my favorite item so far in this box. I really like the Leaky Cauldron key tag, but that coin is really, really cool. Ooh, okay, so this is our house-related item, it looks like. We got a patch of an embroidered Ravenclaw tie, so that's cool. They've got the blue and bronze. And yes, it looks like it's iron-on, and this is made at an Etsy shop that you can get 15% off of as well. So that's really nice. Let me open this up. This is made by the Witchy Stitchery, so I love that. That's a super cute name. Love that. Okay, so yeah, this is a really well-made little patch. I'm not sure what I'll do with it yet. I have a backpack that I kind of have some different patches on and stuff, so I may end up adding it to that, but that's really, really cute. All right, and that might be it. Let's see. Pull out the little cheat sheet here. So again, this is book 3, and I love that their cheat sheets look like a little Daily Prophet. So they have the Accio Prophet. So we have the Espresso Patronum stainless steel travel mug, and this is made by Lauren Fairweather. So super, super cute. This is valued at $18. We have the Emergency Bus Token, and this is again by Muggleborn Sisters, and then this has a $10 value. And then we have the Wizard Hotel, which is obviously the Leaky Cauldron Vintage Key Fob by Three Sisters Design Company, and that is valued at $10. And then we have the House Tie Patch by Witchy Stitchery, and that is valued at $5. We have the Prisoner ID sticker, and that is designed in-house, and it is on a waterproof vinyl. So again, that could go on your car, laptop, anything like that. And that is valued at $5 as well. And then we have the Magical Criminology exclusive book cover by, again, Danny from Muggle Magic, and that is valued at $10. Let me tell you right now, if you were to try to print that yourself, it's going to cost you way more than $10 for the level of foiling and just the quality of paper and all that. So these are beautiful. So that was a great box. I totally dig everything that they are putting out there in the wizarding world, really. I love that they are supporting small businesses. I love that they're being environmentally friendly. Yeah, I'm really glad that I decided to start getting this box. I had considered Gobstone Alley, and while they made great boxes, they couldn't keep up with the pace that they grew. So really sad news from them this week. So I'm glad that I actually picked Accio over them, because I feel like I would have just had a lot of heartache with that. So yeah, all right. Well, with this, let me go ahead and wrap the books with all of the book covers. Okay, so before I put my book cover on my year 3 book, I want to go ahead and open my other 2 year 1 and year 2 covers to show you guys. Okay, so I just opened these up, and we have year 1, and this is Book of Spells. And I know it's kind of hard to capture just how beautiful these are, but they are really beautiful. Danny did a great job designing them, and the company that printed them did amazing work. So that's year 1. And then, upside down. Here is year 2. So we have Deadly Flora and Fauna. And it has these awesome snakes on it. That's kind of a nod to the Basilisk with Chamber of Secrets. So that's beautiful. It says the Basilisk, Mandrake, and more. So that's awesome, because we have the Mandrakes in year 2. The color is green. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to put these on my book and show you guys how these look on the actual books. Okay, so I have covered all 3 of them. And for any of you who get these and are trying to look for the best way to cover them, I found that standing the book up and centering the spine and then kind of wrapping it from there seemed to be the easiest method to make sure that it was wrapped correctly. But these are gorgeous. All right, well, that's going to be the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think of the Accio box. I love it. I think it's a great subscription box that I'm glad that I became a part of. So, yeah, I'm glad I subscribed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.